One step at a time. Good boy.
Don't call me good boy. What the heck?
Good job. This is like walking a German shepherd.
Makima? What the heck?
That's fine. Just keep moving.
This is very inappropriate. I'm just trying to go to the spa.
One step at a time. Good boy.
Please. Where are you taking me?
Good job. This is like walking a German shepherd.
I might have to knock you out just for that
That's
one.
fine. Just keep
Where are you
moving.
taking me? Oh shoot, there's
You're
people
free.
here. Oh.
Just don't come back.
Okay, you're just gonna release me into the onsen in my suit? Okay, whatever, that's fine. I don't need your outfit. I'm calling his manager. No one talks to Agent 47 that way.